Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. If you do like the video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you think about this story. So Musa was once the most loved man in South Africa, the most envied man in South Africa, but slowly he is becoming the most hated man, at least by women. I think the men are saying, basically it's our fault, and it serves us right that he's acting like this because most women wanted a man like him. Most women wanted a husband like him, and now he's showing his true colors. He's showing people who he really is, and it's not pretty. It's not cute. It's very messy. He posted this picture and said, "We salute you for leading the way." We don't know which way is that. We don't know if it's the way of living or the way of staying, even though it's toxic. But whatever way that is, we all noticed that Samke was not there, and everybody was wondering why is she not there. She's a full Mseleko now, or at least it's supposed to be. So why is she not part of the wives? He should have pictures of all the wives, but for some reason he didn't post them. He was being petty. This is what one fan said. It said, Mseleko, you once showed us what looked like a beautiful example of polygamy. You sold us a vision, and many of us believed in it. We watched it with hope, but now we are watching you slowly destroying it yourself. We saw how Makumalo was hurt again and again because she could not have children. That was painful to watch. A husband is supposed to protect, not expose and wound. You also failed to hold Macele accountable. The house that is falling apart was once under her leadership, yet you never correct her or her son. Instead, you keep blaming the other wives. That is not leadership. That is favoritism. You always publicly celebrated Makumalo's birthday. Now that she has chosen herself and her peace, you cannot even wish her well. That says a lot. The empire you were building is falling apart in front of all of us, and the truth is, it is happening because of your choices. Sometimes the problem is not the wife. Sometimes the problem is the man who refuses to take accountability. The last part, taking accountability, I can agree with her more than anything because Musa does not want to take accountability for anything. He feels everybody owes him something. The wives are wrong. He's never wrong. Everybody around him, even his children, are wrong. But he's not wrong at all. And fans went under that comment also to point out how he refused to to let Makumalo have IVF, even though he was not going to do anything. He was just going to give his sperm. And Makumalo was going to literally go through all the rejections, all the bad things that you go through with IVF, because that's what you go through as a woman. You know, he was not going to do anything, but he still refused. Talking about machine as if like he was the one who was going to make the child, when Makumalo was the one who was going to do all the work. And people also came for him for not saying happy birthday to Makumalo and for refusing to acknowledge his wrong in all of this. And I'm honestly not mad. I like this. I like people holding Musa accountable and not only the wives, because we keep talking about how the wives are letting him walk all over them. But someone has to also hold him accountable. Please let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.